I hope all of you had a great trading day today. I welcome you to Let's Talk Nifty, where we try and decode what the stock market is trying to tell us. So tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, so आज के लिए हम Bank Nifty पे concentrate करेंगे. Bank Nifty ने बहुत अच्छा मूव दिया आज. Initial fall आया, उसके बाद बहुत ही अच्छा मूव towards close हुआ. It went up close to 500 points. So this is a great rally to be in. अब कल क्या हो सकता है? So preferable trader, huh? We have to wait for the price to come down to this range, 43,606 to 43,540. 43,540 to 43,600. यहाँ पे support है. So this is the support. यहाँ पे हमें expiry है, तो typical Bank Nifty थोड़ा time बताएगा. And then it will give us a positive candlestick. And then we can go long, or it will be the targets. Targets will be 43,925 and 44,120. तो कल बड़ा मूव आ सकता है, या क्योंकि आज बहुत बड़ा मूव था, कल बहुत छोटा मूव भी आ सकता है. तो we need to be careful. तो position sizing is key. एक बार हमें कैंडल्स मैसेज मिल जाए, जैसे आज मिला था यहाँ पे, कैन सी nice. Got a hammer here, right? Inverted hammer, again a hammer, and then you got a bull sash, you got a doji, then you get another bull candle and another hammer, and so basically you could have gone long here. That's what I did, and the stop loss of 43,229, and you could have just made a lot of money with this. Yeah, so look for the same pattern tomorrow also. यहाँ पे शायद एक false breakdown भी देगा. Preferable scenario हमारा long है कल, short नहीं है. अगर बहुत बड़ा gap down खुलता है, मतलब 43,530 के नीचे खुलता है, तो ये जोन आपको रेसिस्टेंस की तरह दिखेगा. फिर टारगेट्स होंगे नीचे की तरफ 43,286 और 43,023, ये सब लेवल आने लगेंगे. तो कल का स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत सिंपल है. Our preferred scenario is we will play long. What we want market to do is, what we hope market will do is to come back and take support here at 43,600 to 43,540 level, give us a positive candlestick, and then we go long for targets of 43,925 and 44,120. And on the downside, I'm interested only if it gaps down tremendously, 200, 300 point gap down, and then, 400, 500 point gap down, and then it takes resistance at the same zone, 43,542, 43,600. And then we can go short for a target of 43,286 and 43,200. So second scenario is just theoretical. For me, first scenario is not. I think market will go up. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I wish you all a great expiry day. Make lots of money. And please be aware of the possibility of inside bar tomorrow. You will know from the first 15-minute candle whether it's a inside bar or not. So please do comment and let me know if you spot such a thing, or spot a positive candlestick as we discussed. So good luck, and I will see you with another video tomorrow. Bye-bye.